am Rebecca and these are my reviews, and I have an all about subscription box. This one is supposed to be all about ... and each month they have a new theme, like all about pineapples, all about, I can't remember. Anyway, this box is $39.99 a month. I've done several unboxings so far, so I will link those in the description box if you are curious to check out other ones. It's always a fun box. Let's see if I can figure out how to open it. Aha, got it. Oh, how cute. Look at the little leaf on there. That's adorbs. October is all about fall. The colors, the leaves, and the feelings of fall. Fall is a beautiful time of year. Trees bursting into red, orange, and yellow never gets old. It is also the time of year where snuggling up, hot drinks in hand, relaxing by a bonfire is so cozy. I hope all these items bring out the feelings of fall for you. As Lauren DeStefano said, fall has always been my favorite season, the time when everything bursts with its last beauty, as if nature had been saving up all year for the grand finale. Oh, I love that, that's cute. Okay, before I continue reading, let's see. Oh, it's also breast cancer awareness month, which is awesome. So we have a little bracelet here. Fight like a girl, I love it. Oh my gosh, there's little leaves in here. How adorable. And the stuff is all like rose gold and this is cute. This is very thoughtfully done. Okay, let's see. We have, ooh, a sheet mask. Pumpkin Enzyme face sheet mask. Oh, this is awesome. And very with the theme. I love it, I love it. Okay, ooh. Lightly Toasted Natural Nudes Eye Color Palette. What is that? You know, Urban Decay Naked Palette dupe. I think this was like Naked 3 maybe, because it's got a lot of cooler toned shades in there. I honestly don't have any of those palettes, so this is fun. These look really nice. I wonder how the quality is. Oh, that looks good. Some little finger swatches there for you. Oh yeah, these are gonna be fun to play with. Oh, I love these colors. Gorgeous. How fun, I love it. Okay, what else do we have in here? Ooh, what is this? Oh, what is this? Oh, okay, all right, funsies. A little beady necklace there. It's actually kind of cute. Not something I think I would have normally picked out for myself, but it's kind of cute. And a mug, gotta have a mug. Oh, this is cute. It says Hello Pumpkin, but on this side it looks like that. And then on this side, it looks like that. That's cute. This is such a fun box. There's always so much fun stuff in here. Okay, let's see, what is this? Corner Knob Goat's Milk Soap, Falling Leaves. It smells good. It's just a white bar of soap. It smells really good though. Kind of musky and earthy. I like it. Matte Liquid Lipstick. Beauty by Brianna. Oh, that's a pretty color. A nice mauvey pink tone. Oh yeah, that's really pretty. See, that's a pretty color. Oh, I'm excited. That's nice. It feels very creamy too, just swatching it on my hand. I'll have to check that out later. Ooh, and Bright Autumn Blooms Super Smooth Body Lotion, 24-hour moisture with shea butter and coconut oil from Bath & Body Works. That's fun. Let's see what it smells like. Fragrance notes, warm marigold petals, sandalwood, sparkling bergamot, cedar leaf. Smells good. I actually think that smells really nice. Okay, I think that's it. And then just the bag in the bottom, which I think is so awesome that they include this gift bag so that you can take items that you may not like yourself and give it to somebody else, which I think is so fun. And I have done that. And it's just nice. So awesome. Well, I will leave all of the information in the description box. Thank you so much to All About subscription box for sending this to me. Thank you guys for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.